Hey guys, I just found out from Carbinox that they've got a special opportunity. If you would like to do a video review of one of their watches, they will send you one for free. You do the review, post it to your social media account of choice, and voila, we all get to see what you think about these watches. Now, if you let them know when you apply, and the instructions and information are in the show notes, use the link there to head over there. Apply for the watch you'd like. Let them know you saw it on Mr. Tix, okay? And if you're accepted and approved, I'll post the link to your video here in my video to help you get more viewers. Pretty good deal, huh? It's good for the first 3, so jump on it right now. All right, here's my comparison video of these two. Life's decisions. Greetings and welcome to Smartwatch Tix. By now you've learned that there are incredibly rugged watches out on the market made by Carbinox, and you probably discovered that there's at least a couple of different models, square or rectangular and round. So which one is right for you? Which is the watch that you would like to have? We're going to take a quick look at that to hopefully answer it for you by giving you a little couple of minute clip of each of these watches in action, and then let you know some of the subtle differences between them. First, let's play with the rectangular one. It's the Titan, and it is really hardened, waterproof, weatherproof, you name it. You got pull-down controls here, brightness, theater mode, settings, power savings. You even have weather pushed to you from your area or any area you set in the app. You can have notifications sent to you from your phone, and a little pull-out tab that shows you the basic stuff you need, including the most recent apps. Speaking of which, we could show you access to step count, with a chart showing you your daily steps, hour by hour, last night's sleep time, and a chart and a summary on that. You have heart rate, continuous, represented on the watch, along with exercises from walking, running, and cycling to about 20 different other ones. Swimming, 5 atmosphere waterproof watch, gang. Yoga, workouts. Got something going there. We've also got blood pressure reading with this watch. Again, weather in your area with forecasts. We've got a remote shutter that will put this in picture mode, and you can take pictures with it. Blood oxygen that is actually using red diode technology to acquire that information, and a remote music player that you can play music on your phone. You have access to a variety of different watch faces, from simple ones that rotate like that to press and hold and get into all kinds of different faces. Digital, analog, you name it. You have access again to everything. Simply by pushing the lower button, they show up in icons. You can even do a breathe in, breathe out exercise routine. You've got timers, countdown timers, all kinds of activity. The watch itself is, of course, hardened to incredible standards. It's a bright screen, easily viewable outdoors. It has a TPU band that's sweet and flexible and easy to wear. All in all, it's a really winner of a watch. It's the Carbinox Titan. Well, that's impressive. How about the round one? This is the Carbinox SPACECRAFTER hardened smartwatch. Beautiful, elegant design, lots of different controls you have here, access to a variety of different apps and a variety of different ways of presenting them to you. You've got step count and all the things that go with it, calories burned, distance traveled, and the steps per hour for each day, and a comparison with previous days. You've got last night's sleep time, total, light, deep, and a chart that shows you what it looks like, and again, comparisons to your past previous night's sleep. You've got totals of your activities and instant access to all the different exercises. There's over 20 of them in here, including swimming and rowing. This is a waterproof watch after all. You also have heart rate. When it's here, it's live. When you go in here, it's also live, and it'll show you your continuous 24-hour heart rate for the day and start over at midnight. You've got the blood pressure readings that you can do, and the last 7 are shown on the screen, and blood oxygen, of course. You can read that and see your summary of previous activity as well. Weather in your area is pushed, and all of the forecast information. In the app, you can set whatever city you want for that forecast to happen. A remote shutter that'll take pictures from the phone using your watch as a trigger, and a remote music player that'll play music on your phone that you can control here. Last thing is a breathing exercise that you can inhale and exhale and calm yourself down if you want to. All of that is available directly from the watch. When you swipe up, notifications sent from your phone. It's a really elegant watch, lots of different watch bands available. 3 buttons, up and down, and then this center one that takes you back home. You've got all the different sensors in here and magnetic coupled charging. It's the Carbinox SPACECRAFTER. You seeing some of the differences? With the round one now, we have this ability to play with this wheel and go to anything you like. For example, exercise. In here, you can pick anything you want, like, let's take swimming, since it's a waterproof watch, right? And with removable bands, you can pop these off at any time. And, of course, drop it in water. Ooh. How about the square one? Here we go. Same kind of thing. You've got all different stuff in this one. Here you've got a control panel with lots of different things, including the overall brightness that you can adjust. You have that one on the round one too. And you can get into all of your different activities here that are laid out in a grid format, including your exercises. There we go. I knew it was here somewhere. Swimming, since it's also a waterproof watch, you bet. You can pop these bands off and drop it in water as well. Now, let them stew for a while I tell you a little bit more about Carbinox. When a watch is ordered, and I can testify to this from personal experience because it's been happening to me, you're going to get an email. Actually, you get a couple of them. And I just want to show you what you can expect when you place your order for either of these watches. It's kind of an embedded FAQ, and if you're new to smartwatches, this is really helpful. It answers a bunch of questions like, will your smartphone, whether it's Apple or Android, will it be compatible with a Carbinox smartwatch? Yep, and you can download a thing called a DeFit app to make it pair and be able to use it via Bluetooth. What do you do if you receive a call or a text message? That's covered. Is it waterproof? Yeah, they're at least IP67. Some of them are even up to what you call 5 ATM for swimming and diving. Is the band suitable for any wrist? Yeah, sure much. What features can you find when you receive it? Oh, it's filled with them, and here they are. And if you check out the full reviews here at smartwatchtix.com or head on over to bit.ly/Carbinox reviews. And you'll get the playlist of all of the reviews of all the Carbinox watches they have on the market that we've reviewed here. Can you change a wallpaper picture with your camera? Of course you can. And if there's questions you haven't reached out to, or gotten the answers for, you can reach out to them and they'll answer you at info@shopcarbinox.com. Flash, Titan on the blood oxygen supports red diode technology. SPACECRAFTER on blood oxygen uses the green diode technology. Here's a fun difference. On the SPACECRAFTER, you have 2 games installed. On the Titan, there are no games. On the Titan, you've got a relaxation program where you can breathe, inhale, and exhale into deep tranquility. On the SPACECRAFTER, not much. You can look at last night's sleep time and hope you sleep better. Now, if you want to pick one up, you don't have to wait for a holiday to get a good discount on it. Right now, you can pick up any of these watches, or, they've got a bundle. You can pick up both of these for 20% off using the promo code TIX. That's me, Mr. TIX. At checkout, you can go to GoCarbinox.com, put everything in the cart, put in TIX, watch it compute your discount. All right, we've had them in here for a little while. Let's pop them out. Now, Some of the best things I need to tell you about waterproofing on watches is you should really wipe them off before you touch any buttons. That's a possible place water could come in. You don't want to do these in hot water. You don't want to take a shower in them with it, mainly because, you know, water turns into steam, and steam can get in a lot easier than water can. So any watch, if it says that it's waterproof and it has a good rating, it's best to treat it carefully. And that carefully means don't push the buttons till you've really thoroughly dried it off, okay? And keep it away from salt water and hot water. Well, I'm going to violate myself and press a button to see that after about 4 minutes, everything is running smoothly on these watches, and they're both winners. So make your choice. Square, round, both? It's up to you. We'll see you again later. Thanks for watching.